In today's volatile economy, millions of people around the globe have lost their jobs. Independent consultancy is becoming a new norm business startup. More people are getting into the consulting field because of job uncertainty, either laid off with some form of termination payment, or asked to take indefinite unpaid leave, or outright fired. When I left my highly successful job as an expat executive and began my consulting business startup, I purposely didn't start with a complex business plan. I focused on the simplicity and the practicality of landing to my first high paying client. Consulting is if you have a certain skill that you can help someone with. Today, I will show you the breakthrough idea generation process that I use, how to choose your consulting business idea, and get started to build your own consulting business. So you can provide consulting over the internet using Skype or Zoom or email-based consultation and collect premium fees. If you don't know who I am, my name is Jan Kua, and I teach everything about the step-by-step breakthrough solution that gives you the edge to set your own rule business foundation. So if you don't know already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification so every time I drop this kind of video, just like this, you will get notified. Okay, so how do you start in making a choice which business ideas to go? So step number one is set aside your ego. If you think there is something that will gonna work for you, or you are judging yourself that you are an expert of this and that, or whether you think that you already have done this before, what you need here, shut yourself down before you even start so the whole process works and you will avoid any inaccurate signals while you go through this initial process. Next, step two is you evaluate without deciding whether or not it's the best idea for you. In this stage, you don't need to censor or restrict anything because later you will narrow down all the ideas and go through a process to pick one when you reach your step 5 in this idea generation process. The key is to think about your current skills, your talents, your current or past experiences, things that you are good at, and your knowledge, how that skill, strength, interest, experience, or passion could help someone else. So just evaluate what you can do. Next step is you organize. This is where you will group your ideas. Your ideas will likely be around certain themes like health, teaching, money, building, meditation, technology, or anything that you can think of. This is different for each person and it depends for each person. Some of you may have couple of ideas only, but some maybe have a long list of ideas. Just organize them so that you can look at them all and make some decisions from there. Step 4 is contenders and scoring. So here you pick maximum of 3 strong contenders and do a round of idea scoring. You verify your ideas for your own personal fit and also for profitability. Is there any money that you can make from that idea? Is there a group of people who really need this? Of all the ideas you have, there are going to be a subgroup that are the ones that interest you the most or you've been considering over. Maybe there are 2 contenders you are trying to choose between. Give each idea a rating out of 10 for each factor. 10 is the best personal fit and profitable idea. 5 is average personal fit and it's less profitable. And 1 is below average personal fit and definitely not profitable at all. If you can identify the level of pain points of the specific group of people that you want to help, then it can help you identify if this idea is profitable for you or not. Let's say if zero pain or the pain is at level 1, which is very mild, or at level 3, which is tolerable, then the idea is less profitable. Then if you see the pain is at level 7,
which is very intense, or at level 9, which is excruciating, unbearable, or maybe, which is unimaginable or unspeakable, then the more higher the pain level is, the more it is profitable. This will then enable you to give each idea a score. You will have your main ideas rated, each with a number that reflects the attractiveness to the market fit. Now you make your choice. You acknowledge that you are choosing an idea to test. It doesn't have to be absolutely perfect in your initial test. Instead, you are going to do some simple tests to check people are willing to pay for it. You are now armed with all of the information you need to choose a niche. And the last step to do is test your idea. One simple way to do this is to get in touch with a small group of people. You can do this organically without spending any money. You want to do your due diligence in selecting a viable niche that suits you and profitable.